Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm reviewing the NeoTrata Refined Anti-Aging and Oily and Blemish-Prone Skin Antibacterial Facial Cleanser with a 4 PHA. Explain that a little bit more. It's a soap-free cleanser formulated with a gentle, lightly exfoliating polyhydroxide acid, the PHA, and is a broad spectrum antibacterial that reaches deep into pores, remove impurities, help reduce problems causing to remove bacteria. You can use on normal to oily skin as well as skin that conditions that may be worsened by surface bacteria such as blemishes and rosacea. Contains soothing chamomile extract, Pro V vitamin B5 to help condition the skin, recommended in combination with other therapeutic regimens. It's also fragrance free. You just wet your skin, and I find that you need less than a pea-size amount of this. I've been using this for about 9 years. And when my dermatologist told me about it, he told me that women would actually buy these by the dozen. I actually keep an extra 2 on hand because I find that it's so good for my skin and such a great wash. My husband uses it as well. He absolutely loves it. I've turned my sister onto it. She loves it. Whoever I've recommended it to really enjoys this product. It also has triclosan in it, which is an antibacterial and antifungal agent. It's just a good antimicrobial and antifungal agent that can help with your skin. I said you use about a pea-size amount. It does not really foam up too much because it's not soap, but my face always feels amazing after I use it. I definitely give it a try. This one, it doesn't say how many ounces it is. It's 6 ounces. This should last about, between me and my husband, about 4 months because you use such a small amount of it. So it gives you more bang for your buck. And like I said, it was my dermatologist's recommendation to use this facial cleanser. I've found that if I take a break from it and I use another facial cleanser, I will actually break out. That's how good this NeoTrata Refined Antibacterial Facial Cleanser is. Any sort of acne or bacterial things that are on your facial skin. It works really good to help take off makeup. I still use a makeup remover to remove my eye makeup, but for the most part this takes off all my foundation, blush, lipstick, and I really enjoy it. So yeah, I would definitely give this 5 stars out of 5 stars. The NeoTrata Antibacterial Facial Cleanser with 4 PHA. Really soothing. Doesn't have, it's fragrance free, so it doesn't have any smell to it. But it works like a champ. So I would give this 5 stars out of 5 stars. And like I've said before, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself because it works. It's a great little product. So thanks for watching, and try the NeoTrata Antibacterial Facial Cleanser. I think you'll be really happy with it. So enjoy!